Namaste. Welcome to the reign of self-compassion. So I'd like to invite you to make yourself comfortable where your body feels supported and settled, and your mind can remain awake and alert, allowing your eyes to close, or please soften your gaze. Notice how you're feeling in this moment. How you're feeling emotionally. How you're feeling in your mind. And also how you're feeling in your body. Notice if there's any discomfort, but also notice the areas within your body where you are comfortable. I'd like to invite you to be aware of what you are experiencing in the present moment in terms of sensations on your body. Thoughts swirling around in your mind. And as you observe, I'd like to invite you to just allow whatever you notice. So we're not trying to change it. We're not trying to judge or critique or tell ourselves we should feel a different way than how we're feeling. We're just allowing. If it helps, remind yourself that whatever thoughts, emotions, and sensations may arise, that they're temporary and in constant fluctuation. And so, if along with being comfortable in some areas, you find there is also discomfort, allow that discomfort to be there. So rather than resisting, Adopt a curious and passionate, gentle attitude towards this discomfort. For example, if you notice self-criticism or frustration, ask those parts of you to explore this criticism or frustration with kindness and curiosity. What does this discomfort feel like in your body? While you explore this discomfort with kindness and curiosity, what does this discomfort feel like? Where does this discomfort reside within your body? Does it have a shape, a color, a temperature, perhaps a pattern in the breath? Noticing the story that your mind is telling you about this discomfort. We're human beings with emotions, having experiences, and doing the best that we can. So I'd like to invite you to ask yourself, can you be more understanding towards yourself? And if it helps, imagine a warm, healing, golden energy entering your body with each breath that you take, nourishing the insides of your body with compassionate understanding, acceptance, and healing. Going so far as to imagine this energy moving down to your toes towards the ground. Outlining your entire body so that you're bathed in this energy, not just from the inside, but almost like it's coating your entire being. reminding yourself that you don't have to be defined by your emotions or thoughts. And you can practice a higher level of awareness by choosing which thoughts are helpful to identify with, and the thoughts that are not helpful, allow them to pass like clouds in the sky. Observe your physical body in this present moment, your entire body breathing, your entire body supported, and notice all the contact points of your body that are resting on whatever surface your body is on. When you're ready, gently bring your palms together, warming them. Cup them over your eyes, being aware of whatever sounds are also around you. Being aware of the location where you're sitting and what is surrounding you. And if it helps, take 3 full deep breaths in and thank yourself for this moment of self-care. Namaste.